This is Loki SlapDash videos, and today I'll be looking at this LED sound reactive flashing face mask. So let me just... As you can see, the lights on the mask pulsate to the sounds of my voice, which is pretty bloody cool. When you turn the switch down, it starts to decrease how much the LED lights flash in reaction to the sound, and turning it up increases it. Waiting for suckers.
You ain't no sucker, Loki.
Exactly. Now let's actually have a proper look at this cheap mask of truth. The alternative COVID mask, this is not. Yeah, boy!